So here is the planning worksheet for your radial design metal tooling ornament that we're making. So here's one of my examples, and you can see right here I have the drawing that I used to create it. Here's your worksheet. You're going to make two separate ideas, and these circles are actual size. So you'll cut out the circle of the design that you prefer, and then you will use it to create, to transfer your design onto the metal, okay? We're basing our designs on the 6-pointed structure of a snowflake. And so I've given you these little templates with the circle divided into 6 pieces. So, and also some little inspiration images of snowflakes right here. So your design doesn't have to look realistically like a snowflake. We just want to keep it having radial symmetry like a snowflake does. And so everything that goes in one piece is repeated in the other pieces, so you get that 6-pointed radial symmetry like a snowflake. You know, snowflakes don't have hearts in them or anything, or squiggly lines. So again, doesn't have to be realistic, but we are keeping that 6-point structure of the snowflake. So here's one design that I already created, and I didn't use a ruler or anything for that one. And then I'm going to do this one real quick, just as a demonstration for you guys. And for this one, I'm going to use a ruler to have more straight lines. So I'm just going to make this up as I go, which is what you guys can do too. I'm going to go ahead and start with a diagonal line going down from the corner and meeting my other line. And now I'm going to create that same line on the other side. And so there's one of my points. Again, it does not have to be actually pointy. On this other one, I have like squiggly lines and circular shapes and wavy lines. So it's really just whatever you like. It's your personal preference. But you want to try to repeat the same design in each of the 6 sections. So I'm just going to work my way all around and create these little points in each. It doesn't have to be exactly the same. I'm not going to take a ruler and measure it or anything like that. You just want it to look symmetrical. And I want you guys to not press too hard on your pencil, because if you make a mistake, a light pencil line is a lot easier to erase than a super dark one. So draw light until you know it's right. That's good. That's a good thing to keep in mind whenever you're drawing. I'm just pressing down hard so you guys can see it okay on the video. So there's like my main structure here. I'm going to go in and add some more details. I'll just do a couple of sections so you guys don't have to watch me draw the whole thing, and then I'll come back and show you the finished design in a minute. So I'm going to add some circles inside these little shapes. Maybe I'll add almost like a little flower shape, 1, 2, 3 flower petals. And then that will get repeated in each section. So it'll create kind of like a flower appearance. And then maybe I'll put some, what do I want to do? Maybe I'll put a little curvy line here. maybe a wavy line across the top here. Divide this one more time, add some more detail. You do want your design to be nice and detailed. Okay, I'll stop now and then show you the next steps once I finish this.